In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track progress in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know how to capture what's been done, roll progress forward to a specific date, and compare actuals to your original plan so you can spot issues early and report with confidence. Let's start with the simplest method, updating percent complete on tasks. In the Gantt chart view, click a task you want to update. On the Task tab, in the Schedule group, choose a percent complete value like 0, 25, 50, 75, or 100%. Microsoft Project will fill in a dark progress bar inside the task's Gantt bar to reflect how far along it is. This approach is quick, consistent, and great for high-level tracking. Just be mindful that percent complete is time-based for duration. It doesn't necessarily reflect effort unless you also manage work fields. Use it regularly and avoid marking tasks 100% until all deliverables for that task are truly finished. Next, keep your entire schedule aligned to a specific reporting point using a status date. Go to the Project tab and set the status date to the date through which you're reporting progress. Then choose Update Project, select Update Work as Complete Through, enter that status date, and click OK. Project will mark tasks scheduled before the status date as progressed, which helps maintain a clean line between what's done and what remains. After this automated update, review exceptions, especially tasks that started late, were rescheduled, or shouldn't be marked complete. Now, visually compare actual progress with your original plan using the Tracking Gantt view. Go to View, then choose Gantt Chart and select Tracking Gantt. You'll see your baseline bars, your original plan, displayed underneath the current bars, with actual progress shown in the task bars. Assuming you've already saved a baseline, this makes it easy to see which tasks are ahead, on track, or slipping. To quantify those differences, switch to the Variance table. Here you'll see numeric gaps like start variance, finish variance, and differences between planned and actual completion. Negative variance indicates you're ahead. Positive means you're behind. This table gives you concrete numbers to discuss in status meetings and helps prioritize corrective actions. Finally, turn progress into clear, shareable insights with built-in reports. On the Report tab, open Dashboards or Resources and run options like Project Overview or Progress. These summarize task status, completed work versus planned work, and overall health. You can adjust filters and date ranges to match your reporting cycle. Make progress updates a regular habit. Keep your status date consistent, and save your file after each update to preserve your tracking history.